Hi, my name is Eric here at Durango Motor Company. I just wanted to highlight a few features of our F-150 Harley-Davidson. Here we have our forced induction engine, which is a standard 5-liter Coyote engine with a Whipple supercharger, tuned by Tuscany to produce over 700 horsepower, custom Harley grills, a custom LED light. We have custom Fat Boy Harley-Davidson style tires with 35-inch wheels. Right, and in the back we have custom tuned suspension by Fox. We have our rocker panels right here. If you open that, we have automatic deployable running boards. Back here we have our traction bar, and that's to prevent our rear axle with such a high performance vehicle from twisting. Then we have our Flowmaster custom exhaust all the way through, ended by these aluminum Harley-Davidson style tips.